Okay, so hello, welcome to another reaction video. Today, reacting to Grow with Kaz. His video just popped into my feed. It's currently 10:42 p.m. I'm tired from the day, but I thought I'd film this video for you guys because the last one has been absolutely popping off. Like, to be honest, for me, 400 views in the past 3 days, that's excellent, that's great. In the past 30 days, we're at 8K views, 6K views. All the GPT-5 videos are doing quite well. And to be fair, I was gonna watch this video anyway because Grow with Kaz is a really solid creator. Highly recommend you go follow him after this video. And by the way, once you're down there, just subscribe to myself as well. I'm on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so subscribe to the channel, hit the bell for post notifications, like the video as I just did with Kaz's vid. And it's a quick 8-minute video. It's basically breaking down and kind of showing live how to use GPT-5 and tangibly, like when using it, the difference that it does. If you want to see a video where I try out GPT-5 live, maybe I even try and build an app. I've never coded or anything, so maybe I can build an app with GPT-5. But if you want to see that, then just let me know. Bump up this video, watch it, at least halfway to 3/4 of the way through so that YouTube bumps it up in the algorithm. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. So I'll go here, let me put up my volume, and let's go.
OpenAI just released GPT-5, and it's crazier than you will ever imagine. And the best thing is, this is going to become the default version for everyone.
I do like the layout kind of on GPT-5. It's pretty clean. Mine is like a bit purpley because it's not the night mode, but I like the UI a bit better.
Around the world. Even if you are a free user, you can use it. In this video, I'm going to try this new model, and let's check how powerful it is. And let's compare it with other AI models as well. This is my honest review of this new model, and it's not a sponsored video. The first thing I noticed was the speed of this new model is incredibly fast. And guys, I'm not going to try simple tasks like writing emails, creating video scripts, and images. We already know every other AI model can do these things easily. There's no point in trying those. Therefore, I'm going to try some complicated tasks. The first task I'm going to do is create a 3D game. Yes, you can make games now. And it's just easier than you think. The gaming concept that I have in my mind is this one. Rooftop Runner. Jump between buildings and dodge obstacles in a fast-paced, side-scrolling parkour game. So let's ask ChatGPT like this. I gave this concept to ChatGPT and asked it to generate a detailed prompt to make this game, and this is what I got. Now let's copy this detailed prompt to a new chat and create this game. Before entering the prompt that you copied, we need to mention ChatGPT to put the code in a standalone HTML file. Otherwise, we can't run the code. I'm going to type like this. Create a game for this concept and put the code in an HTML standalone file so that I can run the code.
Bro, the music for this video is so epic. I'm kind of really sucked deep into the video. Like, it's crazy.
Canvas. Then let's paste the prompt we just copied. And I'm going to click this plus icon and let's add a canvas to this dashboard. We can clearly see that our code for this gaming concept is currently generating line by line. And I don't know if you noticed this, it's super fast. It only took around 45 seconds, and we have this full code with around 500 lines. We also have some instructions.
Way better than any software developer I know.
About how,
let's continue.
How to play this game. I'm going to click this run code button, and let's play this game. Okay, this is actually cool. We can use these W and S letters to jump off this building. But I think it would be better if the player could travel forward and backward as well. So I'm going to ask it to update the code so that we can move forward and backward. Just like this. You can change the source code any way you want. You just need to give these commands. Now let's try a different creation. This time, I'm going to create a learning course for children with visual animations. So let's type our prompt like this. Create an interactive course with necessary animations. This course is for kids, and it should help them learn about animals. Put everything in a standalone HTML file. Just to see how fast this generation is, I'm not going to fast forward to the final result. Let's wait and see how long it's going to take ChatGPT to make this course.
Bro, it's crazy that you can create stuff this fast, like apps that otherwise would take hours and hours and years of experience to be able to do them. You can just write 2 sentences and have GPT do it for you. It's wild.
only took around 95 seconds and our program is ready. Let's click this run option. This looks amazing. The user interface of this course is really cool.
Wow, the UI is actually great.
I'm going to try the functionality of this course. Let's click this Start Course button.
Welcome to Animal Adventure. Click any animal to learn.
Okay, we have vocal instructions as well. I didn't expect it.
Lion. Lions live in groups called prides. The roar can be heard 8 kilometers away.
The voice is a little bit sleepy though.
Elephant. Elephants are the largest land animals. Their trunks have over 40,000 muscles. Penguin. Penguins are birds that cannot fly but are excellent swimmers.
Now, this is actually cool. We have a small description about these animals. We also have some quizzes. When we select the correct answer, we can go to the next question. I mean, it's crazy that I created this course in only 90 seconds. And if I created this manually, it might take around
Well, the beat is going hard, real shit.
2 days. This model is actually next level. We also have some matching games in this course where we can drag and drop these answers into the correct brackets. Now, let's try to make an advanced science course for high school students. The prompt I used is the same one I used before. I only changed the kids to high school students. And the content is to learn about space, sun, solar system, and planets. So let's see what we will get. The code is already completed, and I'm gonna run it. Wow, this is amazing. ChatGPT is asking us to give permission to access the internet to show us some details. This solar system animation is really cool. We can change the speed of the orbit rotation.
That's crazy that I generated that with a couple sentences and in like less than a minute.
And the size of the planets using these bars. And we also have each planet separately. So if we click any name from here, we are going to get all the information about that planet. And we also have some quizzes. This is actually so powerful. Now it's enough with the courses. Let's make something different. This time I'm going to try to make a whiteboard animation video. Create a whiteboard animation about explaining how to get six packs by following a protein-based diet and doing cardio and abs exercises. This should be at least 30.
You should also get your, so if you want to get abs, this is kind of a side note, but basically you still have to train, your other muscles. You have to work out, just work out normally, eat in a calorie deficit, high protein. You can train abs, sure, but you don't have to do them every day or something like some people do. But let's see what GPT generates. This is not a fitness video.
Long, and make sure to inform them to put the code in a standalone HTML file. Let's generate this. Looks like our code is completed. But this is not actually what I expected, but I understand why. Creating these types of whiteboard animations using code is a very complicated task. However, I'm still amazed that they pulled this off. This is actually kind of cool, even if we have a few errors. Now it's enough with the coding. Let's try something different. I really want to check their image generator. I have this image of celebrities at the Met Gala, and I'm going to upload this image to ChatGPT.
I never saw that picture. What's that?
I have this...
I think I saw Kevin Gates in here, no? The Met Gala, influencer, celebrities. I don't know a single one of these people, but...
image of celebrities at the Met Gala, and I'm going to upload this image to ChatGPT and ask it like this. Analyze the given picture and provide information about the people in this picture, about this event, and the location. And let's see. Okay, this is actually...
Laura Harrier taking a playful group selfie inside the Met Gala. Oh, what is the Met Gala costume? Bro, I swear this Matrix just shoves people down our throats. Like, bro, where are all these talentless people? It's crazy.
Crazy. We have all the information about this picture, but I think this information was gathered from the internet. So I'm going to upload one of the photos I took recently, and I haven't uploaded this photo anywhere on the internet. So
yo, that's the first time I'm seeing Kaz's an image of Kaz. That's insane. Wow.
Photos I took recently, ChatGPT can detect where I took this photo and this location. Let's ask it to analyze this image and find the details about the location, country, and other details. Okay, this is actually true. I took this photo recently near the Gal Fort in Sri Lanka. Now I'm going to try to generate some images. My goal is to see how accurately this new model generates consistent characters. So I'm going to use this prompt. Generate 5 images for this scene.
If this actually works better, I'll stop using my other AI generator for my YouTube thumbnails. So let's see how it generates.
Make sure to use consistent characters. Three men, James, John, and Kaz, are hiking, and they find a hidden wooden house in the jungle. And there's a mysterious and scary man inside the jungle looking at them. Okay, I only got one image. I think they are still, using the previous model for image generation, and I don't think the GPT-5 model can generate images, because if it can generate images like I expected, I would have gotten 5 different images instead of this one image. Okay, if you check their introduction, it mentions that this GPT-5 is a system instead of a model. The reason is that they are using 3 different models under this one system, and based on your requirement, they're going to use a different model to generate. And I think the models that they are using are these 3: GPT-5, GPT Mini, and GPT Nano. And I just saw this on their page. This is a fully functioning game that has been created using this new model, GPT-5. I will also make a tutorial about how to make a game like this using ChatGPT. And it's on top of the PR benchmark results with a...
Okay, so overall, pretty solid video. As always, Kaz releases really, really well-produced videos. He does it all with AI too, which is even more impressive, to be honest. As expected, GPT-5 is absolutely crazy at coding. Better than Claude right now, so maybe you don't need your Claude membership anymore if you have downloaded it. If you've been following this channel, you know that I love Anthropic and Claude.ai, but unfortunately, I think it's GPT-5 all the way, at least for now. So on that note, quick video, subscribe down below to see the next videos and encourage the channel, and I will see you in the next one.